Hey there, ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and let your money hustle for you? 2024 is the year for crazy opportunities, and I've got the deets on how to transform your cash game forever. Why affiliate marketing is the thing in 2024. Unlimited earnings. Seriously, with the right moves, your bank account could be on another level. Imagine reaching audiences worldwide without even changing out of your PJs. Your living room is now your world marketplace. No big investment, big returns. Say bye-bye to heavy investments. Affiliate marketing lets you start with almost no upfront costs and still cash in big time. Automated cash flow. Set up those affiliate links once and boom, they work 24/7, bringing in the dough while you do you. Trend alert, 2024 is the year affiliate marketing explodes. Don't miss out on riding this wave to financial success. It's time to shine. Dive into the secrets with ReThink Academy's exclusive free training.